Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to buy crypto on MEXC with USDT. First, open the MEXC exchange app. Ensure you have a registered account. Once you log into MEXC with a verified account, confirm you have USDT in your account to buy cryptocurrencies. To deposit USDT, tap the deposit option. Transfer USDT from another exchange or wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask by selecting On-Chain Deposit. Search for USDT, select it, and choose your preferred blockchain network for the deposit. If you don't have USDT, buy it directly on MEXC via the Buy Crypto option using either P2P trading or a credit card. To buy crypto with USDT on MEXC, use either the Convert feature on the homepage or the Spot Trading option found at the bottom between Market and Features. For spot trading, find the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, if you see Trump/USDT, tap it and switch to another pair like PTC/USDT. Change the order type from limit to market, enter the USDT amount you want to spend, and tap buy to purchase at the current market price. Follow the same steps to sell. Alternatively, use the convert feature. Tap convert, and if a different token appears next to USDT, tap the drop down, search for USDT and select it. Enter the USDT amount you want to spend. Tap preview conversion and tap convert to finalize the transaction. That's it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.